ပါဒီကနေ့ June လ 4 ရက်နေ့ 2016 ဟာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် Burmese American Community Institute ရဲ့9 နှစ်မြောက်နှစ်ပတ်လည်နေ့အခမ်းအနားဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီနှစ်ပတ်လည်အခမ်းအနားမှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် BACI ရဲ့ဥဆောင်သူဖြစ်တဲ့ Eliza Vanny နဲ့အတူသူ့ရဲ့လုပ်ဖော်ကိုင်ဖက်များ board member များလည်းပါဝင်ပါတယ်ဒီကနေ့အခမ်းအနားမှာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်မြို့တော်ဝင်တဲ့တကွာဒီ Indianapolis မှာရှိတဲ့ရပ်မိရပ်ဖများ community လူကြီးများနဲ့အတူကျောင်းသားကျောင်းသူများပါဝင်သွားပါတယ်နောက်ပြီးလို့ရှိရင်ဒီ Indianapolis မှာရှိတဲ့လုပ်ငန်းရှင်များလည်းလာရောက်ပြီးတော့မှဒီ season လေးမှာပါဝင်သွားတာကိုတွေ့ရပါတယ်လာရောက်ကြတဲ့ April အားလုံးကိုလည်းညနေစာနဲ့တခင်အခမ်းကျွေးမွေးသွားတာကိုတွေ့ရပါတယ်ဒီ season လေးကိုကျမတို့ CCN channel ကနေပြီးတော့မှတင်ပြသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
A lot of fun. It's a tremendous event in our city. I believe it is. Winnie and I love going to different events, obviously, but that one has always held a special place because of the depth of it, of everything that it means to the Burmese Chin community on the south side of Indianapolis, but also to the entire city of Indianapolis, and what it means. And I do think it's been a tremendous partnership on so many different levels. I know, I'm talking to people a lot on the south side, how much the Chin give back to the community. Not everybody in the city of Indianapolis knows that, but I know that. I want you to know how much that means to the city in that regard. Particularly, I always comment on this in small groups, but I'm always amazed by the number of young people that are here. And I really, truly appreciate the fact that your community embraces their youth to make sure they're going down the right path, that they're getting good at.
A little bit of technical difficulties, but thank you for your understanding and patience. And you will see here how our community functions. It was a little bit of reflection of that. We engage all walks of life here, from kids to youth to parents, as well as all our partners, non-profit businesses, school universities, and also government agencies and elected officials. So it's really, I can see here, a very good ground, a very good partners, and very important supporters of our community as a whole. With that, I will not be prolonging this talk, but let me go ahead and also echo the recognition that some of here on Master of Ceremony have said. First of all, Mayor Ballard, I feel that today really we are celebrating our achievement together in this city. In the very beginning, the inception of the BACI, he was there when he had dedicated our BACI new location in the Perry Township School, Perry Township Government Center. And since that, not only he has been able to directly support our activities and missions through his resources, but also in a policy level. He has created an environment where all newcomers, immigrants, including refugees from Burma or elsewhere, have a feeling of welcoming and belonging, and also embracing diversity and celebrating the difference, and really making this city international city, and also that welcome everyone and treat everyone the same. So let's give and I have no doubt that the new incoming mayor will be able to continue that level of commitment to and also able to exercise the freedom that they have given in this country, in this nation. And secondly, the Apple College program education piece that prepare high school students for their future success and leadership as well. And another area where we have been working is employment and micro-enterprise development project. Not only that we want, and we have been assisting the community members to become employed, whereby they can become self-sufficient, but also to be sustainable. We believe that they should be empowered with the re-qualifications, re-credentials, certifications, so that they can employ better, high-paid employment, and also becoming, some of them we train to become small business owners. And that way, not only just we work with individuals, job placement, but providing technical assistance to the community members of their small businesses. With that main three programs, we have been able to serve more than 3,000 individuals. And those are direct services that they have been received. Of course, there are more people through community outreach and some other engagement. Either it's just a workshop, one-day workshop, or short-term assistance. These programs have been more of a long-term or full-time participants in this. And now, with that, one of the main achievements that we would like to highlight is the college-going rate in our community. Back in 2011 and 12, the college-going rate among the Burmese community recent graduate is just about 30 to 40%. But within just 4 and 5 years, it has gone up to 72%, which is higher than national rate of the United States. And also, those who have been participating in our program regularly, 100% of them continue post-secondary. Eliza will just roll maybe 2 years, and he'll probably be going to the East Coast or West Coast, so probably he might be thinking to going back to Burma and participate in political life. But I have proven that they were wrong. I stay already here 5 years. And I'm still committed that this is my community, our community, that we build together. And 5 years, 10 years, we can only expect that this is growing and this is stronger, and our partnership will be expanding and strengthening. And with that, we can expect more good things to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, our Executive Director, Mr. Eliza Vernon, for wonderful remarks. And we hope, BACI hope, college going grade to be 100%. So.
For showing up and enjoying the dinner with us. It's really a blessing, and to see everybody. It was a little bit hectic. We do apologize, but it seems like everybody's having a great time, which is what we want. So with that, mostly yes, I am mostly overseeing the education programs. So we have the high school student populations here that that we have worked with over the past 5 years, and we were organizer, founder of the BACI, and secretary director of the BACI. We kept very busy for the students and for the community members. And this video clip is some of the reflections. We try to pick out photos and videos, and the point is we want to share with all of you of the moment, some of the moment that we captured.
Good evening, everyone. Very honored to be here, and I'm also very glad to see the pictures on the presentation. The song that I'll be singing is "Em Mô Bình Hồ Tiểu Tu."
you everyone for outstanding partners. Now, Outstanding Partner Award goes to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Indianapolis field, for your 5 years exceptional support and partnership through civic and cultural education. Now, I want to call upon the University of Indianapolis for your 5 years of exceptional support and partnership through education and service. Thank you very much. Now I want to call Ivy Tech Community College to receive Outstanding Partner Award. Thank you very much. And now the Outstanding Partner Award goes to Office of Perry Township Trustee. Thank you very much for your 5 years of exceptional support and partnership to community and faculties. Now, the next Outstanding Partner Awards goes to Perry Township Schools for your 5 years of exceptional support and partnership to education. Now, the next award goes to Osborne Hesse Logistic, also simply known as OHL, for your exceptional support and partnership through EMED and community. Thank you very much. And the next award goes to, it's very hard to say because I represent this company, which is, it might be conflict of interest, so I'll announce it short and sweet. This award goes to Mountain Real Estate LLC. Next award goes to PNC for your outstanding partnership to corporate community sponsorship. Thank you very much. And the next award goes to Chin TV for your 5 years of exceptional support and partnership to community media coverage. Thank you very much. And the next award goes to CNSP Production for your 5 years of exceptional support and partnership to professional multimedia services. Thank you very much, and I want to request Chin Youth Organization of North America to receive the award for your understanding partnership and community service. Thank you very much. And now I want to present Outstanding Artist Award to Emily Sue. Now I want to call Ms. Jane Verhausen for Outstanding Advocacy and Cultural Diplomacy Award. Thank you very much, Jane. Now I want to call upon Ms. Kate Hill Johnson for Outstanding Partnership and unfortunately, she is unable to join with us. Now, I want to call upon Mr. Jeff Burnham for 5 years of support and partnership. Thank you very much. I want to also announce that we will give certificate of appreciations for the partners listed below. Mizzo Society of America, Indiana. Please welcome Mizzo Society of America to receive certificate of appreciations. If that's the case, I want to request our chair, Mr. Rollinger, to receive the award on behalf of the Society of America. Thank you. Now I want to call upon LAI Music Band. Thank you very much, LAI Music Band. Now I want to call upon Chin Community of Indiana. Thank you, Chin Community of Indiana. Now I have to request Mr. Peter Jensen again for certificate of appreciation. Thank you very much.
You're asking